Wise is an excellent tool for travelers, offering a multi-currency account and debit card that lets you spend abroad cheaply and conveniently. Key features for travelers: hold 40 plus currencies in one account, convert money at the real mid-market exchange rate, no hidden markups, and pay a low, transparent fee. Wise multi-currency debit card: order a physical card, small one-time fee, or use a free digital card instantly via Apple Pay or Google Pay. Spend in 160 plus countries. Smart spending: if you hold the local currency, it deducts directly with no conversion fee. If not, Wise automatically converts from your balance at the mid-market rate, plus low fee. Practical use: top up your Wise account from your bank, convert to currencies you'll need in advance, or let auto-conversion handle it. Pay in stores, online, or withdraw cash from ATMs. ATM withdrawals usually free up to a monthly limit, for example 250 USD equivalent, then low fees apply. Always check local ATM operator charges. Advantages: no foreign transaction fees, real exchange rates, easy app management, and budgeting by currency. Perfect for multi-country trips. Top up on the go as needed.